gym. All equipment. What is style, hairstyle? Today, I'm going salon. Inshallah, I have more time. I'm going salon. Or I make myself. No, I will go change. I'm going shower now. So I go to salon. Yesterday only nails fix for me. But today I want to go for my hair. I go shower now here. Shampoo my hair. Then I make blow dry in my hair in salon. I need you. I lose weight, guys. I need you in particular, mashallah. What you need from me? I don't have money. What you need from me? Of you doing very well. You love me? Just now I see you how I love you. That you, mama. Today maybe I wear only pants, jacket. Maybe jacket. I wear jacket today. I will do. I'm thinking, Ali, what hairstyle I can do it. Maybe a curl. I make curly. Chow. What chow? I go now shower, okay, guys? Wow. Thank you. Hi. Take care. Thank you, Ali. Super. Yeah, my outfit for gym, this one. Gym outfit. Today I did leg day. See, too much fat. I have big tummy today. Oh, yeah. Purple. No, this is for gym. See, too much sun outside. Strong today, sun. Look, guys, outside, sun's so strong. Wow, shukran. Wait, because I'm charging. I put here my charge. Look, guys, what outside? Up one. Wow, assalam tula. come back, stop the same position. Asmatula. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, dear. Come on, stop. Hi. Habibi, yes. How are you? I'm good. Everything is under control. What call? Good morning. Salam. I'm down, honey, because if you gorgeous. What? I'm single. Oh, okay. Mabruk. You are single, mabruk. Prom baby. Wow, big size. Not big size. Komi Kesap. What is this language? Hi guys. Don't know what to do whenever you're a woman. Don't know what to say. Hi, AD. How are you, AD? I have friend for long time here. He disappear again. I don't know. Yes. From baby size. Good afternoon, summer. I'm good. I'm not married, really? Are you from where? UAE? From where? Abu Dhabi? Hi, King. Assalamualaikum. You're always on my mind. From the time I wake up